Hi there, I'm Jennifer Tryon, and I'm so excited to be bringing you HomeMade.
Hi, it's Kim from Chatterbox Quilts.
Hey everybody, it's Raven Maureen, and I am so excited to be part of this handmade virtual weekend.
Hey everyone, it's Janome Man, aka Michael Smith.
Hi, I'm Jill from June Tailor, and we're thrilled to be part of the virtual sewing weekend.
Hey everybody, I'm Heather Bailey. I'm excited to be one of your teachers for the HomeMade event.
Hi everybody, Michael here, proud father, self-taught sewer, also known as Ava's dad, and Daddy Dressed Me by MG.
Hey everyone, it's Lynn from Blue Calla Patterns.
Hey everyone, I am Matthew of Mr. Domestic, and I love to spread joy and positivity through sewing and crafting.
I'm Liz Thompson, the National Education Manager of Janome in Alna, Canada, and I'm absolutely thrilled to be participating in this HomeMade virtual event.
I have a new fabric line coming out. It includes a bunch of quilting cottons and some clothing fabric. You guys are going to be one of the first people to get your hands on that collection.
I'm excited to bring you a fun free motion quilting project for the HomeMade virtual weekend.
We're going to be working on a skirt. I cannot wait to show you guys. It's going to be so much fun.
I'm going to be teaching a machine embroidery class and a hands-on, really cute in the hoop embroidery project.
I'm looking forward to teaching you a wonderful apron project.
We're going to introduce you to our Quilt As You Go, or Sew by Number, where the pattern is printed right on the batting.
Do you have drawers like this in your sewing room? Filled full of all these needles, but don't know what to do with them all? Well, join me for the fabulous HomeMade sewing event coming soon, and we'll go through all some needle know-how.
I'm excited to bring you a new exclusive pattern for the HomeMade virtual weekend.
I'm bringing you my best stuff.
And I look forward to all of your questions. I'm an open book. You can ask me anything you want to.
Quilt, and I sew, and I do apparel, and bags, and I crochet, and I'm learning to knit, and I love fabric weaving. I do all the things, and one other thing I'm doing is I am going to chat with you at this amazing event, and I can't wait. So I'll see y'all there.
Make sure that you tune in, make sure you register for this wonderful event, and I will see you all soon.
It's going to be so much fun. I'll see you there.
Keep it positive, everybody.
Happy sewing!
There's not going to be anything else like it.